What up, YouTube? Jeep and Bubba here, and we're at Beasley Knob, and we have 25-30 Jeeps. JKS hit me up and said, hey, let's do a ride. We'll come out, we'll bring our Jeeps all the way from Michigan and Texas, and we'll ride with you if you guys will put something together. So that's what we've done, and we've got a big old group. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so it's been dry. It hasn't rained here in a couple weeks, and it looks like rain may come in this afternoon, but we should have a good day. We're going to try to run as one group. We're going to see how that goes. Typically, I try to break up into smaller groups, but I just want to kind of try to keep everyone together at first today. And let's see how it goes. This is a huge group for Beasley, but let's see if we can pull it off. I'm excited about it. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to film today, but I know Adventure Russ is going to be filming, and I know that the JKS, BDS, Fox guys are going to be filming as well. So Carter, he drove down from Michigan, and Jason, he rolled all the way out from Texas, and we're just glad to have him out here. It's going to be a good day. Good. Nice.
He said he'd seen your video.
Oh, good. I'm earning my keep.
Yeah, stuff too. First part with a little bit of rip-rap.
All right, we just rode a good majority of the trails here, 93C, D, F, part of A. We're gonna head over to 93B after having a nice little lunch. Counted out 26 Jeeps today here. Pretty good number. Let's go see about 93B. All right, so I made it back to the parking lot. We attempted to get on 93B at the top. Bad idea, I almost flipped. There's some footage of that somewhere. But anyways, some of us decided to make it back to the parking lot. We're gonna lose about half the group. Some folks going home. It's about 3:30 or 4 o'clock. We've run a lot of the trail, so a few of us are gonna go back out and hit 93B from the bottom and see what that's all about. I think I'll go do it. What do y'all think?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Bump it. You need a little bit more. Yep. Got it.
Right there on this, toward the dip cover off on this spot.
Make it easy work. Looking good. Climb up that one. There you go. You're gonna climb on the passenger. There you go. Driver. There you go. All right, I'm needing a tug from Jason because we're on the top of 93B and I'm in a bad spot. I don't know if you guys can see this. And that's to my left. I don't know how that's showing up on the camera, but I'm gonna get a little tug up the hill. So Jason's trying to pull me, but he's not got a ton of traction. We just need to get me a little bit of a rock. I have punched a massive hole in my transfer case skid, split a cross member. Basically, I just need to get up and turn around and get off this trail. And Jason's trying to help me out here. So Carter's kind of organizing some stuff. You can see up there, and we just got big smokies going on while I'm trying to get out. So I'm gonna try to hold on to this camera, and the next time we go for a tug, I'll show you guys what we're up against. All right, we're off the trail, and I'm like 98% sure I snapped my axle shaft. I think I can drive it home, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I just want to say thank you to JKS for coming out, Bruce, Jason, and Carter. Thanks for coming out, and all the guys at Sport Truck Fox for coming out, and everyone that came out to this event today. We had like 26 Jeeps. It was an awesome time. Black Bear Off-Road. We had guys from Scorpion Off-Road and ATO Off-Road in Alabama. So it was just great to have everybody out here. We had a good day. You know, when you have an overland rig, you shouldn't take it up big rocks in the 93B. I'm pretty sure I pringled a skid plate. I'm glad I did that walk around video in the previous video because y'all got to see this thing nice and pretty. It's beat up. I'll try to take some video of the aftermath of 93B for you, but I gotta get home first. So I'm signing out. I'm Bubba. I still hope there's an adventure in your future. Eat your prunes.